All right guys, quick customer bike highlight video. What you see here is basically a Tuono 660 factory in acid gold. The reason why I say that is because, well, this bike has the IMU upgrade, which is only a couple $100, and it has the quick shifter and the solo seat cowl as seen on the all black 2022 Tuono 660 factory that's coming out. But anyway, let's highlight the accessories that this customer chose. This is the Robem Engineering Fender Eliminator, and he chose to stick with the stock rear turn signals for now. The Akrapovic full exhaust system, which sounds awesome. I'll turn it on for you guys in a second. You guys already know the best frame sliders available, Evotech, with the dual mounting points. They look good and are very effective if you ever have to use them. Evotech front axle sliders, rear axle sliders, and the Aprilia rear spools. What else do we have? CRG Aero bar end mirrors. And let's turn this thing on real quick. Oh, you'll notice that the front turn signals are removed, and we use the Rizoma, I think the part number is FR217, I think, to cover that. This customer does have the UpMap T800 Plus ready to install the Euro race map to put the turn signals in the headlight. I'll help him do that once we get to his house in Santa Barbara. Let's turn this thing on. Can't have it on for too long because we're kind of inside still. Anyway, I think that's it. Love this bike. It is officially the best looking Tuono 660 we've ever seen. And I think it's the last acid gold we're gonna see out of our shop in a very, very long time. So congratulations and a big thanks to Brian in Santa Barbara. I will see you soon, my friend, delivering this bike to you personally in a few hours. Thank you again, see you soon, bye.